The art of abstract expression. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our painting journey. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of abstract expressionism. Abstract art is all about breaking free from the constraints of reality and letting your inner feelings guide your brush. Today, I'm drawn to a combination of deep blues, fiery reds, and bright yellows. Now it's time to let the colors flow. Use your brush or palette knife to make bold, dynamic marks on the canvas. The canvas is your playground, and every mark you make is a part of the story you're telling. Texture is essential in abstract art. You can create depth and interest by layering your colors and adding different textures with a palette knife. Experiment with the thickness of the paint and the pressure you apply to the knife. It's all about finding the right balance. As you work, take moments to step back and assess your composition. Trust your instincts and let your emotions guide you. And there we have it, our abstract expressionist masterpiece. So pick up your brushes and let your emotions flow onto the canvas. Until next time, happy painting!